Namaskar everyone, my name is Antriksh and before leaving our habitat Earth, let's explore to the Moon and the only one satellite to our Earth. The Moon was formed with the Earth only. The Earth is the mother of the Moon. When the meteor shower happened, the Earth was formed already, and from that meteor shower, small parts were taken out and formed two moons. One was our moon, which is presently here, and a sibling of the moon. That sibling was rotating around its brother, moon, and that sibling, after the second meteor shower, was merged to the moon, and that was merged at the second part, which is the far side of the moon. But wait, I think you don't know about the two sides of the moon. Let me first tell you about them. The moon is having two sides. The first side is the near side of the earth and the second is the far side of the earth. The near side of the earth means the visible part to our earth. This part is only visible to us forever because the earth and the moon is tightly locked. Tightly locked means the rotation period of the earth to around itself and the rotation period of moon around the earth is one of the same time. And because of it, it is tightly locked and only the one part of the moon is visible to us. And that part is the near side of the earth. And the far side of the earth was merged with its sibling, the another moon, which was of earth. And that sibling made the brother moon powerful. And after that meteor shower, the moon was bravely dead. Now, as I've told you that how the moon was formed, how it had a sibling, and also told that how it became the powerful one. Let's look at how the moon is visible to us at Earth, the phases of the moon. Yes, so this is the new moon. When the moon is complete, the near side of the moon is completely filled with shadow. No sunlight is reached over there. So we can't see any moon, but there is the moon. This is the vaccine syntax, which means only a small part of the moon, the near side which is visible to us, is in the sunlight and the other is in the shadow. Then the first quarter. First quarter means the half of the moon is in the shadow and half is in the sunlight. Then it comes as waxing globules, which means only a small part of the shadow is there and a big part, the leftover part, is in the light. Then the full moon comes, in which the near side of the moon is completely filled with sunlight. Then it comes as warning globules, which means only a small part of the shadow is there and the other part is with the light. Then the last quarter, which means the half of part is in the sunlight and half a part is in the shadow. Then it comes warning syntax, which means a small part is in the light and the leftover part is in the shadow. Then the new moon again occurs, which means the fully in the dark. We have seen about the phases of the moon, that how it is visible to us on the earth. Now let's see the structure also of the moon, how it is visible to itself inside and outside the structures. This is the inner core of the moon, which temperature is about 1500 degrees Celsius. Now, as I've told you that there are two types of the crusts on the moon because it is divided into two parts. The one side is far one and the one is near. As I've told you that the sibling of the moon was merged in it. The far side of the moon crust is a bit thick than the near side of the moon. The near side of the moon is 60 kilometers and thick and the far side of the moon is 100 kilometers thick. This was the crust thickness. The mantle is about 1000 kilometers thick and it is having an outer core also as our earth has, which is a outer core. This is the rocky cover of the crust with the loose, ridgeless soil. The dust is thick, 15 centimeters thick. The dust surface. As the earth is having dust, even the moon is also having the dust on it. And that crust is different from the dust. The dust is 15 centimeters thick. This was the thickness of the dust surface, and it is having the impacts of meteorites when the meteorites happened. This was the structure of the moon, outer and inner. Now this is the rotational period and the tilted axis of our moon. The rotational period, as it is a tidally locked moon, it takes 27 Earth days and 8 hours. Its tilted axis is 6.7 degrees. I think you have known about the tilted and the rotational period, the outer and inner structure of the moon, and the phases of the moon, how it became brave with the help of its sibling, how it was formed, and what is the name of its mother. So, I hope you have enjoyed the journey of the Earth and the only satellite moon. In the next video, you will be also enjoying the journey of the Mars as we leave the Earth after we have told you about moon. So, you'll enjoy that journey, and I hope you have enjoyed this journey also to our moon.